Hi, my name is Dr. 𝘠𝘬𝘸𝘀, and I'm a hair transplant surgeon at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. So an ideal candidate for FUE hair transplant is someone who has something called androgenetic alopecia or male pattern baldness. This is a person that usually loses hair at the top of their head and including their hairline. And what we do in FUE is we can take hair from the more permanent areas, which are the sides and the back of your head, and move them to the top of the head where the person is losing hair. So we treat a variety of patients, including men and women, with varying degrees of hair loss. You don't have to be completely bald before you decide on a hair transplant. You can be in any stage of your hair loss, and usually a hair transplant can give you some improvement.